Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada. So today is a long weekend, Victoria Day's holiday. So me and my kids are going to West Edmonton Mall kasi we've been meaning to try yung bagong open na taco shop sa West Edmonton Mall. So that's where we're eating for lunch today. So look guys, spring has finally sprung. All the flowers are in bloom now. Ayan, tapos napakabango dito sa neighborhood namin. Kasi in full bloom na yung mga bulaklak ngayon, no? Ganda. Although it's been raining lately, we've been meaning to go to the mall the past couple of days. Kaya lang, it's been raining. Ngayon, maganda-ganda yung panahon. So it's the best time to go out. Itong mga puting bulaklak na ito, ang napakabango. And then saglit lang yan, more or less 3 days lang yung full bloom na ganyan. Well, kung hindi naman mahangin, pwede yung magtagal ng a week na ganyan kaganda. Ayan o. Ganda-ganda. I love it kasi in full bloom na talaga yung mga flowers and we're at the middle of spring. On the other hand, maganda rin na ulan ng ulan kasi yun nga ang problema is wildfire. The good thing, ang wildfire right now is hindi kasing dami ng wildfire no last year. Kasi it's a threat to the livelihood at saka in the communities. Ito, nag-start na rin mag-sprout yung mga dahon ng mga puno. So nagiging livelier na yung paligid at yung mga dahon, mga green na sila oh. Itong mga puno na to nag full bloom, tong linya na to, napakaganda rin, pink na pink yan. Okay, so the taco shop can be found at the Bourbon Street. So ito, pagbaba na escalator malapit sa TNT. So ito na yung stretch ng Bourbon Street. So, dito lang siya sa pangatlo. Okay, so papunta na kami sa Bourbon Street. Okay, so here we are na sa Bourbon Street. Hindi madaming tao ngayon Okay, here we go. The taco shop. Mukhang may lineup. It's a weekend kasi, long weekend. Kaya talagang madaming tao. And of course, people will really like to try it out. Hi! Table for 3? Ayan, so medyo busy daw yung kitchen nila. So expect na medyo may waiting ng delivery ng food. So for now, nakupo muna kami dito. We're just waiting until they call us. Okay, so we're just getting seated. Okay, so for me, thank you. Okay, so yeah, let's check the menu. Let's see kung anong order natin. Tacos, carne asada, fish, al pastor, chorizo, carnitas, chicken tinga, rajas poblanas, and mushroom. And then, they have the taco platter. Kaya lang 12 tacos. I'm not sure kung kaya namin. Although my son daw is willing to try the tacos, although medyo mapili yan sa pagkain. Feeling luhos. I think this is like more luxurious type of tacos. Just like the lady explained. These are the appetizers. Taquitos, chicharrones, guacamole and salsa. And then mga cheese crepes, salads. For the gringos, Ah, Ethan, street dog. Ito sa'yo. Gringo, this is for you. Mexican street dog, poblano queso. Oh, burger! Poblano. What do you have here? Smashed beef patty, roasted poblano peppers, mushroom, caramelized tequila onion. Wow. And burrito. Oh, may mga pang kids din. And sides, desserts. And they have the signature margaritas. Too early for margarita, it's lunch. Pero why not, no? What's this? Frozen. Ah, frozen drinks. And cocktails. Carne asada. It has white onion though and cilantro. Yeah, problema kasi sa anak kong lalaki, ayaw niya ng gulay. Although, he's willing to try the tacos. Etong taco platter, mix and match up to 4 of the flavors. Oh, you can choose from the 4 flavors. So, that means per order, there will be 3 tacos. So, yung presyo niya for 3 tacos, 19.5. I have a suggestion for you. You might wanna go for burger. Yana and I will gonna get tacos, and then if you wanna try tacos, you can get one of my tacos. No? That would be a good plan. Okay. So for the tacos, Yana, what flavor do you like? I'm thinking of either al pastor or maybe carnitas. Gusto ko yung al pastor kasi marinate yan with pineapple, and I love pineapple. Ay, no, you don't like pineapple? Okay, so no. Okay, so my son daw wants the carnitas. So we're gonna get carnitas. What about you, darling? You want the chicken? Chicken tinga, smoky chipotle, shredded chicken, sour cream. Oh, yung pwede rin. Masarap din. Do you like it? Yan ang bet mo? Okay. They're asking of appetizer ng kung gusto. So they're checking right now. Mahal din yung margarita nila. Nasa $18. 16, 18, 15. Ito, oh. Oh, parang masarap yung spicy mango. Skinny margarita. So, yung kanilang margarita is around mga nagre-range from 15 to 19. Oh, 24. Ang pinakamahal, Cadillac. And I'm ready for the occasion. I'm wearing my one of the favorite shirts, although I'm not drinking. Huh? No, you're not getting tequila. You're minor. One poblano queso burger, and then carnitas taco, and chicken tinga. Hindi ko nakita yung dessert na churros, so I like churros. So order kami ng churros. Gusto rin ng balongko. Yan, so that's a churros, $12. Huwag kang gaganyan. Nakainis pa. Zero forks given. So talagang plate nga lang yung available dito. So you should eat by your hand. Tapos dun yung kanilang bar. Save water, drink tequila daw. So itong taco shop, dito lang sa katabi niya lang itong My Vietnamese Fusion. Tapos katapat niya yung Moxis. So ito yung daily specials nila. Oh. Margarita Mondays, $6 ang margarita on Mondays. Palomas, $6. Meron silang Taco Tuesdays, tacos $5 lang. And then they also have happy hour. Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. close. So yun, $5, $6, $7 lang yung drinks, $5, $6, $7. Yung chips nila, $7. Waiting lang kami sa order. Talagang busy ang kitchen nila today.
Poblano queso burger.
For him?
We have the chicken tinga.
For her. And mine is
Sorry, pardon my reach.
Yeah, that's no problem. And mine is the carnitas. Okay.
And would you like a refill, sir?
Thank you. Okay, so this is the carnitas. So, 3 piraso siya. Meron siyang chicharon sa ibabaw, oh. And then, Yana, what's yours again? This is the chicken, ano? Chicken tinga. And then, my son's, oh, ito yung kanyang burger for gringos. Paying chips. Okay, there you go. Where's the salsa? Wala ko salsa. Oh! You have to order separately the salsa? Good question. So the salsa doesn't come with it. We have to order separately the salsa.
So you can get a salsa sampler. There's 5 of them for $6 if you would like.
Yeah, can I have
Of course
please?
you can.
Okay, thank you. So yung pala yung salsa, akala ko by default na may kasama. So nag-order na lang ako separately. They have a sampler for, how much did she say? $6? Kasi mas masarap pagka matry yung salsa. While I'm waiting for the salsa, lagyan na natin ng lemon. You want to try na the tacos on the side? You want me to remove the greens? I'll remove the greens. Okay, sure.
So I have the salsa sampler. Just to give you a little rundown, we have our creamy jalapeno, our mango habanero, our molcajete, our salsa verde, and chipotle salsa.
Okay.
The lingering ones, the more spicy, are the mango habanero and the creamy jalapeno.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Alright, thank you. Okay, so ito yung salsa sampler. Ito daw yung pinakamaanghang spicy mango and habanero. Okay, now let's try the carnitas. Try muna natin yung green na salsa. I like it. So, try ko lahat yung yung salsa. That's this one. This is also spicy, by the way. Nakalimutan ko na ano pangalan nito. Now, let's try the third one. Yeah, you will really need the salsa to eat this. Let's try the spicy mango. Ooh. This is a bit sweet. Namis. Kasi mango. Let's try the habanero. I'm scared. Konti lang. Tama yung girl. Sabi ng girl, these two, spicy mango habanero, it will be lingering spicy. And then this one, kalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. Pag sausaw mo, pagkagat mo, spicy agad but it's not lingering. But then this one, spicy mango and habanero. Yung naglilinger yung spice niya sa dila. But so good. Ooh, so good. I love the spice though. So yung isang tacos ko binigay ko sa binata ko. They only have 2. Pero we'll see. Pag meron silang hindi naubos dyan, ako rin ang kakain. I love the spicy mango. Kasi manamis-namis eh. And you can really taste the mango. Now, for all the salsa, yung spicy mango is my favorite. Ooh. Okay, so here, I'm trying the burger of my son. Let's douse it with spicy mango. Masarap. Let's try with the meat. Sarap yan. Can't wait for the churros. Ang dali lang kainin ng tacos eh, oh. You want more? Okay, yung anak ko tinitira yung salsa. Yeah, my daughter's enjoying the salsa. Ooh, this is spicy. Let's try the habanero. Kaya hindi naubos nung balong ko yung ano niya, yung burger. So kami na rin ang kumain. Oh. Okay, let's mix na lang with the spicy a little bit of the spicy mango and a little bit of the green salsa. Masarap yung salsa nila. Masarap yung food nila dito. Okay, so pinaserve ko na yung dessert namin. I'm excited for that churros. We forgot to customize your burger. Ayun, kasi yung anak ko hindi masyado sa vegetables. So, hirapan siyang kainin yung burger. Kasi masyadong maraming toppings, masyado siyang maraming corn. Yan ano? Maraming corn. Yeah, so maybe next time, ganun na lang. Papatanggal yung mga vegetables para may makain. Hindi ko mahilig sa vegetable. Tsaka yung tacos kasi by default meron yung cilantro and onions. Okay. Tulungan natin yung anak kong ubusin yung kanyang chips. I like the salsa talaga. Ito lang. Ubusin natin yung pagkain, sayang. Ang sarap ng salsa. The best panalo sa akin yung salsa. Yana, ikaw, dun sa salsa, which one's your favorite? The green salsa. Pero naubos ko na tong spicy mango. Ubusin natin lahat. There you go. Ana, ubos na.
Then this is a sweet crema. Okay?
Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Malaki pala.
Malaki, yeah. Yun yung churros namin. So ito yung churros nila, malaki pala. So, what did they say again? Chocolate, Mexican chocolate? 2 Mexican chocolate. Ay, hindi magkaiba. This one's a bit thick. This one is more. And this is milk, I believe. Cream. Give it a try now. Give it a try. Like it? You tried that before, right? Give it a try also, Yana. Talaga ko lang dimilig sa matamis.
We're gonna get chocolate on it.
Although if you eat spicy, you will like the sweet churros. Like it? Nice. I'm gonna try the milk first. Churros, favorite ko to eh. Sarap. Sarap. Ano pagkakaluto niya? Crispy sa labas, tapos yung loob niya medyo silky. Kasi maganda yung quality sa loob. Very silky. Okay, ngayon try naman natin yung chocolate. Now let's try the two other dips. I'm not sure kung pareho sila. Oh, it's chocolate na hindi siya creamy. It's a little bit wet.
Matamis na.
Iba pala, bali tatlong klase pala. Mas watery yung isang chocolate. Ito mas malapot.
Gonna have it exactly in half.
This chocolate is sweet and salty. And last, milk. I also love the milk. Pero ito favorite ko yung milk. Nagustuhan nila yung churros. They love it. They're dousing it with milk. Yum. Are you guys full? Full? Yeah. Eat now. Meh. We can snack somewhere else. Yung anak kong lalaki ang hindi medyo nabusog kasi nga hindi niya nakain yung burger niya, hindi niya nagustuhan yung vegetable. Pero he loves the churros. Tapos trinay niya rin yung tacos ko. Which is nice, at least Kahit hindi siya mahilig sa vegetable, talagang he's very adventurous like me. He's trying to eat foods in restaurants, other foods, mga ibang recipes. At least he's trying it out. Yeah, so far I can say the experience is good. I like the ambience. I really like tacos and churros. So this will easily become my go-to restaurants for me here in West Edmonton Mall kapag nagkikrave ako ng tacos and churros. Okay, so we're done here. Let's go, guys! Labas na kami. Sarap ng food sa the taco shop. We'll definitely go back there again. So for now, since wala naman kaming gagawin sa bahay, so ikot-ikot lang muna kami dito sa mall ng mga anak ko. They have a few needs that they need to buy. Okay, so kagagaling lang namin ng Sephora kasi yung dalaga ko may binili. Iniwan ko na siya doon. Okay, patala ako ng Uniqlo saglit. I'm just gonna check on something. Marami silang mga naka-sale na t-shirts now eh. Like, $12 lang na mga graphic shirts. Ha? Huh? Oh, bili ka na naman? I'm thinking of pasalubong sa Pinas. No, they might like the Uniqlo shirts. Kasi maganda naman ang quality ng Uniqlo eh. Yun ang mga naka-sale, $12.90. Pasalubong sa Pinas. Ito yung dalawa. Sila nag-shopping ng pang-summer nila from Winners. Okay, so medyo napagod kaming mag-ikot-ikot doon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Tim Hortons. So yung mga anak ko ang nakapilang bumili ng kape. So we're just gonna sit down here. Pahinga muna saglit. Yeah, so I'm trying some clothes here for the summer trip. Yeah, finally may nakita akong ganitong tencel dress. Oh. Cute niya. Okay, so I'm going to end now the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye!